everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make the basic granny square. This basic granny has a little different with previous granny that I taught you. That is the chain spaces between the clusters of double crochet into the each side and in the corners. We will work on the two sides of the square, and the reason we turn because there is no wrong side or right side in the square. If you turn your work, it keeps the colors of rows straight, and there is no wrong side or right side in there. If you are new in my channel, you can find a tutorial of the grannies that I taught you in previous videos in my granny square playlist. I placed the link on the screen for you. Let's get started. Start with the magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your finger and make an X, and then insert your hook under it and bring the yarn out from the ring and make a chain. Here is our magic ring. Then make 2 chains. These chains not count as a stitch. Then make 3 double crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, pull the yarn to the ring, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Make 3rd double crochet and then make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Again make 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Again make 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Again 3 chain and 3 double crochet, last clusters of the double crochets, and then in the end make 1 chain. Before that, close the hole in the middle by pulling the loops to the end. Then make 1 chain and join with the half double crochet. We don't work on the 3 chain, we work on the first double crochet. Look here. Don't complete your stitch. Bring your next color and join it. Pull through 3 loops, pulling your tail of the yarn, make 2 chain and bring back your work. Put my tail of the yarns in front and carry along and crochet over it. Crochet 3 double crochet over the tail of the yarns. And then make 2 chain. Now we're gonna tie 2 knots, basic knot. Cut the yarns and make a basic knot. And pull little tight. And cut them. Just keep close the knot, and that's gonna get hidden under the stitches. I'm never gonna see it. Then go to the next corner space and make 3 double crochet. 3 chains. Again into the same space make 3 double crochet. In each rows that you want make, you must make 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet in the corner spaces. and the next corner make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and in the last corner make 3 double crochet and then 1 chain, and with the half double crochet join to the first double crochet. Also, you can use any method you can or you like to do this ending your row, or use the method that I taught you in the previous videos. I placed the link of the method by the needle for you on the screen, and also you can find it in the beginners stitches playlist in my channel. And also I'll teach you how to make it in the end of the video. Please watch the video until the end, and that you can find out how you can ending your rows in other way. Make a slip knot and then cut it. Just keep close to the nuts, then it's gonna get hidden. Okay, and I also hide this tail of the yarn of the magic ring. It's annoying. Hide it by the tapestry needle and then cut it. Well done. Continue our row. After that we made 2 chains, make 3 double crochet into the 2 chain space of previous row, then make 2 chain, and in the corner space make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Into the next side our square we must make 3 double crochet in the chain space and 2 chains between the corners and double crochets of the sides. Look, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and in the corners 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. This is the difference between this granny and previous grannies that I taught you. Now I taught you 4 types of the basic grannies in my channel. 1. Granny with no gaps. 2. Granny with only 1 chain space in corners. Number 3. The granny with 2 chains space in corner and 1 chain space between clusters of each side. Number 4. Granny with 3 chain space in corners and 2 chain space between clusters of double crochet in the each side. You can find all of these granny in my channel and my granny squares playlists. Granny squares on the rise in the fashions and home decor, so now is the perfect chance to learn how to crochet these timeless. You can make many crafts with the granny squares. The grannies are very useful and very beautiful patterns, and I hope you enjoyed the grannies. Okay, in the end, again, join your next color and continue your working. I bring my next color, join it, complete my stitch, make 2 chain, that does not count as a stitch, bring my work to the wrong side and crochet over the tail of the yarns and hide them into the stitches. Make 2 chain, cut the yarns and make a knot. And continue our work. As you can see, there is no wrong side or right side. Make 2 chain and 3 double crochet into the each chain space, and in the corners make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Go along until the end. In the last corner, make 3 double crochet and join with the half double crochet and change your color. In the last row, you must make 3 chain and join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Cut the yarn and fasten off by the tapestry needle. Insert your needle under the second stitch, bring it out and insert your needle inside the first stitch, and then hide the tail of the yarns between the stitches and then cut it. This is my favorite way to ending my rows, and there is no sign of the end of the row. You can make this granny as big as you want, and you don't have to change your colors. If you want, you can keep just going along by the one color. And say you the diagram again. Make 3 double crochet into the each 2 chain space of sides and 2 chain between them, and in the corner space make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. As you can see, there is no wrong or right side in this granny, and the colors of rows very straight. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in the comment below, and if you would like to subscribe, that would be helpful. And please hit the notification bell to never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Love you guys. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Goodbye.